Alrighty. Today is October 17th, 2024, and then yeah. So today I'm just gonna talk about the market, some ideas, some missed opportunities, just trading all around. Today, kind of pretty uneventful. Today I actually lost some money today. Um, I'll show you why. So Clove, what I started out in the morning. It was breaking out in the morning. I bought it here on 450-ish, 450 around this area in the morning. Let me put on the hourly chart. So around here in the morning, size in pretty big, around 1,500 shares. I was risking 442, so it was well within my limits of risk based on the percentage of my account. And it broke out as it was breaking out. It broke out in a lot of volume, and then it just faded. Just sold off, and then I got stopped out. Rebought in, and then I rebought in as it broke above VWAP. As I bought in, I went a third of my original size, and it didn't break to new highs, and I was like, well, this thing is weak. Uh, if I'm in a stock, I want it to break the new highs. If I'm rebuying, I want it to break new highs. Um, After I buy it, and it should be going up. It shouldn't be coming down and testing around VWAP and selling off. So I just got rid of it on the second time around. I think that total to be like a 360 dollar loss. Yeah, 360. Which is above what I'm 1% of my account. So you know that's not really that good. I tried it twice though, so yeah, not that great. And what else did I try today? I tried tiny, tiny, tiny position on Wolf. I missed it yesterday. Um, and then I saw it rejecting this moving average, and I was like, well, I don't really like that, so I got rid of it. I bought it. I'll tell you exactly when I bought it at. Um, Wolf. Bought it at, actually, the price doesn't show up anymore, but bought it at around, oh, actually, it does show up, sorry. Bought it at 1638 as it was breaking above VWAP. It recovered really well. I'll show you in the 15. So right here, when it sold off in the morning and it bounced right back up, I was buying it above VWAP. It looked very strong. It broke out. This is what I want to see. And then it kind of rejected right here at the moving average, and I was like, well, it doesn't look too good. I don't really like this. And I ended up selling it at around 16 flat. I was like, well, I don't really like this. Didn't like it. Right around here. I didn't like it at all. Didn't like the price action on it. I wanted it to hold above VWAP. It broke straight through VWAP, no problem, and it just held above red to green. But still, I didn't really like it. I'll probably give it to tomorrow. I wanted this to break through this moving average. I feel like once it breaks through here, it can go to at least 21, and then maybe 22 right here, lined up with this moving average and this level here. So that's the plan for Wolf. LEU, I think that's it today. Let me see what else. And SSRK or SRRK, I'm still in that one, but tiny, 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 tiny size. I thought it was kind of breaking out of this range. Bought it at like 29 something. It bought it ridiculously high, but yeah, I bought it near the top. I bought it at around 29.87. It says right here. So I bought on this candle here. My stop was 28, 28 flat. Because I was risking a certain amount because it was just small size. It's only 25 shares. Like it's just ridiculously small. I just wanted to get in it as like like just to get a fix, I guess. Just to be in the stock. I didn't really like it because of the volume. You can tell by the volume today, under average volume. And in the morning, I was like, well, this thing hasn't even traded more than 10% volume in the first 5 minutes. So I'm still in this one, but I think I'm gonna raise my stop up from 28 to 28.5. And then just let it. If it's on me out, stop me out. But if it keeps going tomorrow, I'll buy more. And that's the only things I really traded today. Didn't sell anything more today. Didn't buy anything more. Still in SMR, waiting. I mean, just a third size, maybe less than that, but seeing if this can consolidate here and break out again. Still in DJT. I'm probably gonna. Really like today's price action. Sold off hard early in the morning. Sold off like 8%, and it caught some bids, recovered, and now it's going sideways. So that's pretty good. And I like the way it's forming. This little miniature flag here. Hope it can break through and just run all the way up till the election. That's my plan. So yeah, that's still in, and then cores. I might cut cores tomorrow. Don't really like the price action on it. It was trying to break out today. Went to highs today, and sold off. But also the whole market did kind of sell off too. So not really worried. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the ones that I bought today. LEU, I think I talked about it yesterday. This was my stock that I wanted to short today. It went straight up in the morning from around let's see what the open was. Yeah, around 84, went straight up to 89, and I drew this line in here. It's kind of crazy, but I drew this line here because it looks like it was flagging, and either it was gonna when it builds this intraday flags right here like this, you can kind of see it. Um, it'll either break out or break down, and I was waiting. I actually missed it, but I just wasn't paying attention really, and it just failed. It dropped around 7%, and at the end of the day it was down like 9.5%. So missed a big trade on that one. Pretty big. I mean this was like a very I wouldn't say textbook type of short, but it was. And flagged, broke the flag downwards, and the flag was right at VWAP. So you can see here, it broke right down through VWAP. Went straight down like in the next 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, sorry. Went down 8%, bounced straight back up to VWAP. You could have re-shorted it in there, added more size, or re-added your size, and then just held for the rest of the day and added on pops like here and here. I mean, just like here. I mean, just beautiful, but missed it again. Missed it. Oh well. It is what it is. TWG, pretty nice. Didn't really like the. Don't know why I didn't trade this. It's been on my watch for a while, but yeah, too wild for me, I guess. It did break out from on the 15 minute you can see, but I'm thinking the hourly it might be better. Yeah. All right, this broke out. Nice move, but. CRDO looks like it's gonna set up. CLMT saw this one in the morning. Didn't touch it. Didn't really like it. Didn't. A lot of these stocks have been gapping up on this news. EVGO and the government or the Department of Energy has been just loaning out money. EVGO. What else? There's another one. Where is it at? Nope. There's another one. Where is it at? I don't know where it's at, but there was another stock that got a loan from the Department of Energy. I don't know where it's at, but also TWG. I don't even know what this news is. It just talks about like an offering, and I don't think that's really good news. But I think it's still Chinese related, so in the Chinese market, it's not really doing too hot. Which one was it? That's gonna piss me off. I forgot which one it was. SoFi expands. I think it was just these two then. I think SoFi was the other one that got like a $2 billion contract, but yeah. So LAU I missed. I don't know if there's anything really setting up for tomorrow. I'm still gonna wake up and trade or come to the markets, but I don't think there's really much for tomorrow in terms of setups for breakouts. I'm trying to see Jivo. Wow, sold off huge today. It's gone pretty parabolic. Not really that parabolic though, in my opinion. I think I've seen, this could do a 2021 run. We will see. We will see. This can base here. That'd be nice. But this is which the chemicals. Ah, here it is. Jivo. That's the one. I knew there's another one. See, they got another loan from Department of Defense. I mean, Department of Defense, Department of Energy. LAU. Clove, don't really like it anymore. Kind of pissed me off today. I went pretty big size. It's so funny. The stocks that go in big size, they just never work out. They always just fail. And then the stocks that I go in partial, just tiny size, don't get a starter, and then they just take off. It's just so freaking backwards. I just hate it. Just absolutely hate it. DNN. So I think this is I don't know if this is a minor or something. I don't really know. Uranium still taking off. Wolf. I'm really looking to Wolf for tomorrow for continuation on the upside. That'd be nice, but semiconductors have to perform. Oops. They look kind of weak, but the overall market's kind of weak too. So, or not weak, but selling off. Maybe profit taking. Maybe I don't know. But with Wolf, there's like, look at all this. Look at all this here. Supply, just so much supply. I mean, I don't know. This is gonna be tough. We'll see. We'll see how it reacts tomorrow. Hopefully the market goes green. Wolf can and the semiconductors can move on up. I think Wolf can make a big move. EBS. I don't know what the. I mean, I just have this news, but I don't know what this. The news was here or here. I gotta look into that one. But this one's setting up really nicely. Kind of like it. Yeah. Look, I mean, it's lining up on the weekly with the 10 and 20 perfectly. Still quite a bit of supply above it, but I mean, these are always so tough to trade. I mean, I don't think I've studied these enough. These low, cheap, because it kind of reminds you of this, you know. I mean, this looks like this, similar, 64% move. But this is much. How much? When did they release earnings? And not until December. We'll see about this one. This one might be on my watch list though. Yeah. EVGL. Nothing crazy. This one's been a rock star. Missed it, but it's been moving. Nothing. MSTR. I like this this fail and just all this movement from all these buys here. Looks pretty strong. I like the way that looks. I don't know if it's. I think it was during intraday, right? Not pre-market only. Yeah, it was intraday. Very strong. I really like the way that looks. Could be potential breakout tomorrow. Hopefully Bitcoin can break out, cause MSTR to go. I'll finally get an entry on MSTR. I missed it as it broke out this range here, or wherever my thing was, and then you missed it on this bounce here. So, yep. GCT, it's kind of a nice setup, but I mean it's a flag, but I don't really know. This like there's a lot of moving averages in the way, and we'll see. This one scares me though. Also doesn't really trade that well. It's really barcode-ish. Rocket Lab, yeah, I missed these. Again. I didn't touch this one. On Q. This was a. Some of these are just such great short setups, and I just forget about them. Like this lace one was just this is an easy layup. You know, just fails, bounces, creates a flag, and then obviously it's gonna obviously. Well, I say obviously, but most likely it's gonna fail again. And there's nothing really behind this thing. And I had it marked too. Had it marked here just in case it broke out, but I knew it wasn't gonna break out, and I just forget about it. It's not gonna be more in tune. Caper pulled back to the under the 10. This one might be a short for tomorrow. I'm saying this now. I know nobody's gonna watch this, but I'm saying this now. This might be a great short for tomorrow. Failed breakout. Now it's on the 10-day. It has all this range to go down to 15. 15% move. I think this is could be a watch tomorrow for a short. I really do. I really think so. Kind of reminds me of Lace. Lace had a, Very similar. Kind of high tide flag broke out, failed. Now it's on the 10 day and it just collapsed right when it's there. I really do think I gotta look at what the news is behind these things, but I really do think this can fail tomorrow. I really do. And do quote me on that for anybody that's watching. It's probably just gonna be myself later. I watch these myself. Drug. I mean, this one. This one's a scary one, man. Yeah, I mean, don't know if they can send this one right back up to 40. I think I'm sure they do that sometimes, right? Let's see. They didn't do it to Pihan. What about Hollow? I mean, yeah, look at this thing. These things can go right back up to where they came from. I know GME did that, but that's a different story. This one, Hollow went up 800% in 2 days, came down, and then they right back up. Kind of nuts. Kind of nuts. This one, this drug really scares me. But if it does break out of this little range here on the hourly, I think it does build a little bit more range, but this here breaks out. Can take another run to 38. We'll see. It's always we'll see, not let's do. Well, yeah, so that's it for the scans. Anything else for me to talk about? I don't, anything mentally. Oh, let's look at my trades on my trader view. Let's look at them and I'll see how they're doing. Where is it at? Let's load some stuff. Let me load some trades in there. Recent trades. Let's go import. Say the 17th. Where are my trades for the 16th at? There we go. Let me see. So I only traded 2 things yesterday, I believe. That's what it says on here. And so let me just make sure it's all inputted. I gotta import these. Cool. Oops. Let me move this up. Sorry about that. Took a while, but here we go. So yesterday I only took 2 trades. WVE. I mean this one. Let's see what I did here. I remember this one. I got out immediately. Didn't like it. I mean, I feel like I bought it way too late. I mean, it opened up right here at 12. I was buying it at almost $14. Yeah, so it was up pretty big, and then I was like, I don't really like this. Let me just cut it. So I cut it. And it was small, tiny size, anyways. So, and then EXK. This one, same thing. This is the minute. Let me just change this to 5. I think I bought this one on like a dip type of play here, and I think I just had to stop. It was just like this dumb stuff like this that just no reason for buying this thing. I just wasted $90. I mean, not much, but still, just wasted nothing. I actually lost $100 yesterday for no reason, which is what point something on my account, point 0.3%. No, 0.4, 0.5. I mean, this is ridiculous. Like this dumb trades, and even I did today. Well, Clove actually was a pretty good opportunity there. It just failed. But in terms of like, see this thing here. Let's see. Let's go back and look at these trades. Let's review some trades here. I don't know if I reviewed these, but UNFI. I think I did review this one. This is on the 1 minute. This is the 5. Yeah, so I bought it here as it was breaking out, and then just sold it. Right here at like 2060. Didn't like the way it was. I don't know if it was if it hit my stop. I think it did hit my stop. Yeah, it hit my stop. But this thing, just dumb. Like I don't think there was any chance of this thing. Oh shoot, sorry. Nope. There's like no chance for this thing to go. Oh, I went today. Nice. Very nice. Perfect. Just absolutely wonderful. Oh well. But this was the 15th. I was trading it. Oh yeah, on the 15th here this day. I mean, I don't even really think it's close to a breakout, and the volume wasn't even there. Volume's not there. I mean, I don't even. The food distribution is not even a theme right now. I mean, there's two stocks at food distribution. I don't know what the other one is. I have it in my. Let's see. No, TWG. These two. So I guess there was a play here. This might be a starting of a move. I don't know. But yeah, I don't even know why I touched that one. Kind of stupid. Really stupid, actually. Then Wolf. I took a big hit on Wolf. The 15th as well. Trying to buy it on. Oh, that's right. This is the EP day. This is the day where the semiconductors were really, really weak. I mean, I can't do anything about that one. That's just the market. Uh, yeah. So this was here this day. Wolf had a great news, but it failed. And yesterday, it recovered. Which, yeah, missed yesterday. That's exactly what the trade was looking for yesterday. Do some more review. Let's see what else. Wolf, Caper. Yeah, this is another dumb one. Oh, this is the one I absolutely screwed. Yeah, I messed this one up bad. Both on the short side and the long side. I mean, I ruined this one here bad, uh, and then didn't buy long when it broke out at highs. Yeah, I remember this one. Just absolutely screwed it. But it came right back down. I was to say I would have sold here a couple days later or the next day, but oh well. That one I botched. That was a botched trade. Cores is still open. This one I don't think I'm gonna make any money on, to be honest with you. SMR. See, even with these profits, I don't think they make up for these losses. Yeah, I gotta tone down these BS trades. ASTS, I mean, 13 cents. Yen, I was trying to buy the bounce on yen. Or yeah, what day was this? The 14th? No, the 8th. Sorry, the 8th. No, yeah, yeah. So I tried the yen on the 11th and yen on the 8th. These are the 2 days. So the yen on the 11th. Here, this day here. I lost on this day somehow. And then on the 8th. No, this day. Yeah, because I remember seeing a gap down and it kind of broke out or like it bounced a little bit out the open and then it just failed the rest of the day. And yeah, fuck. Um, that's right. So the 11th. Look at this one. Here, see, I bought it as it was breaking out. Oh, actually, I stopped out the next day. So I bought it when? 39, 39. Huh. Okay. And then I got stopped at the next day, and then I went straight up. I think I bought some. Yeah, I bought some like an idiot, and then got out. Or did I short it first? I don't remember. I probably bought it first, and then I think I shorted it, and I got stopped out. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. This was bad trading. Bad trading all around. Um, yeah, this was a practice. This was a practice trade. Oh, that's why these two were. Yeah, these two were. I was trying to get my account built up or about PDT. That's what it was. Yeah. So that's it for right now. I know it's a pretty longer video. May not help you. May not be a helpful video, but this is my journey so far. Uh, Journey so far, I've taken it like very, 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 very seriously. Like a dream, but it's not really working out so well. Look at this. If you add these up today, one or this week, I did the math. I think I lost more than I. Yeah. So today I lost three something. I just thought this is what 270, 340, and then back down to 260. All this money that I made last week just lost it today. But today was a pretty Good opportunity on Clove. It just failed, but I just gotta stop taking these dumb trades. Stupid trades here. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Well, that's it. See you guys.